We're all moving at about 1,670 kilometers per hour right now, and we don't even notice it. Every second, the Earth spins beneath us, dragging everything along for the ride. But what if one day it suddenly stopped? If the planet stopped, we wouldn't. Everything not nailed to the ground would keep moving eastward at hundreds of meters per second. At the equator, that means flying forward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. Near the poles, not so bad, but everywhere else? Catastrophic. At the poles, you might be fine. The penguins? Not so lucky. The entire surface of the planet would turn into one giant car crash. Buildings wouldn't fly away, but everything inside them would. Your fridge, your couch, your cat, everything would be thrown across the room in the world's most synchronized disaster. Somewhere out there, one lonely pickle would be the last survivor. And while we stop, the air doesn't. Our atmosphere would keep racing ahead, tearing across the surface in supersonic winds. Without rotation, the oceans would shift too, flooding the equator and draining the poles. Goodbye, coastal cities. Some people might still find a way to relax, though. With no rotation, one side of Earth would face the sun forever, and the other would freeze in eternal night. On the bright side, well, you'd melt. On the dark side, you'd freeze solid under a sky that never changes. The only livable place would be the twilight band between day and night, a narrow strip where life could cling on. Of course, humanity would immediately start fighting over sunlight. Time would lose its meaning. No sunrise, no sunset, just one endless day or night. Our tools would still work, mostly. Compasses don't care about spin. But GPS? Yeah, that's gone. Human innovation never stops. Introducing GPS version 2.0. Technically, you can't just stop a spinning planet. Physics says no, but let's pretend someone pressed pause anyway. Earth would begin reshaping itself. Oceans, crust, volcanoes, everything adjusting to a new balance. It might take a few centuries to fix. Better take a break. Somewhere between sunlight and darkness, maybe we'd find balance again. Too hot, too cold, just right. Because maybe we already live on the edge.